Kay, and I am here with another kit conspiracy kit for you guys. This is week 3's kit, and it is the 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Everywhere collection. Now, I know that this collection has come and gone. It's no more new. I actually have not had a chance to even play with it yet. I bought a couple things from it, but set it off to the side for Kit Conspiracy and actually forgot because I got so super excited about nature study. I know, isn't that weird? So we did pick out a few things, not as big of a kit as everything else that we have going on, but I feel like this was pretty much all we needed, seriously. So let me go over the papers and then we will get to what this stuff is over here. And then, yeah, we will see what the kit is. So this is the collection pack, and on the other side is the cut apart sheets for this. I love the colors in this collection, you guys. I also have the, or this piece of paper here. I'm sorry, I got distracted by all the colors in this paper. This one's called Wonder, and it just has all these little splatty bits in orange, blue, green, oh my god, and then of course the dictionary words. The other side is more dictionary words with the little cars. I love that. And then I love the branding strips on the 49 and Market papers, you guys. Very, very useful. This one is called Pilgrimage. It's got a couple little houses and whatnot. For some reason it reminds me of Mexico and all the fun, colorful houses. But it's got the longitude and latitude marks as well as what looks like highways and byways. So it's really cool how it mixes transportation. It really does. I love that. Oh my god. This one is a fabulous page. That distressed orange with the wording watermarked inside there, and then of course the branding strip again. It has all the little stamps and labels and stuff. Postage stamps. This one's Great Big World, and it's got the map. Again, the longitude and latitude lines, a map on top of the world map, so a closer map on top, and then of course all the colors. I love the postage stamp, the canceled stamp. Gorgeous. And then of course more stamps on top of a watercolory, and then you've got all these tickets down in here. So there is that. This one here is called In the Deep. Makes it look like you're going into the ocean with the longitude and latitude lines, and then of course a couple sets of islands going on. Southeast something, and then it's some ephemera in the corners, stamps and sailboats and stuff. So definitely a nod to that. I love the ledger here. And then the other side is this mauve color that's got that that map border around it. I love that. Love that. This one here is called Airmail Artistry, and again it's got that border around it, but then this looks like a topographical street map where all the little buildings are. This is 8th Street, 9th Street, all that good stuff. I don't know what they actually say, you guys, but it's just awesome. And then on top of it is another world map that you guys can barely make out. I can barely make it out. And then of course the longitude and latitude things. It actually says Washington Square right here. So I just love how it just has, you know, like this is an aerial view, so like you're in an airplane, but then it has the world map, like you're reading an atlas, and then of course the ocean part of it too. So it's just a super cool nod to all the forms of transportation. And then this beautiful blue, oh my goodness, beautiful blue of the world. And then of course that branding strip with the longitude, or could be latitude, whichever way you're looking at it. Map markings. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This one here is called Mapping the World. And again, you've got that street overview with the river coming through it, the world map, the longitude and latitude, and then the atlas border or the map border, but only on the one side. That's super cool. Love this. And then these gorgeous X's. Oh, I love this one. And then that branding strip is amazing too. Just super cool, you guys. A lot of detail went into this paper. That I think somebody said Katie Petite, but her name's not on any of it. It's not on any of it, but I think she's the one that designed it. Wait, maybe it's right here. Yeah, Katie Petite. It's way down in here in this teeny tiny little logo of the design on there. Right there is where her name is, underneath that big logo. So this one's called The Unknown, and I just love the simplicity of it. You've got teeny tiny little marks of what looks like a topical map, you know, where it's got the hills and valleys portrayed, the longitude and latitude compasses, and then just this gorgeous watercolor. And I love how it's all faded. Like you really can't tell what it is. That's my favorite part about all this. It's grungy. Yep, that's what it is. And then you've got the postcards, and then that beautiful blue border strip, branding strip. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This one here is all these tickets. I love this faded in, so it's not like a perfect stripe, but it's still a stripe. And then they fade out over here. That is so cool. This is called Ticket Montage. Probably one of my favorite picture layouts, papers. And then of course the other side is this one right here, the watercolor with the longitude and latitude lines. And then this branding strip is really super cool with the little half stamps on it. Super cool. Okay, and then from the colored foundations papers, we picked out 3. We picked out foundations number 4, which is this gorgeous orange. You've got this one right here that almost looks like that watercolor sprinkly bits that you could put in, and then somebody watered it down and then let it dry. Or you've got the solid orange that has what looks like a watercolor and then the splatters on top after it dries. So it's just gorgeous. Love this orange, you guys. Can't wait to use that. This one is foundations number 2. And it's just this beautiful, it almost looks like a globe, so you can see the lines going this way and then the words coming into it. That is gorgeous. And then the other side is a watercolor with not too much. I can see a little bit of stuff in here, but not hard to make out. But lots of blues in here, light blues, dark blues, all that good stuff. Just gorgeous. And then the last one here is foundations number 3, which is this beautiful green. It looks like it's printed on top of a burlap and painted, and just, it's gorgeous. And then the other one is that watercolory green. So that is the papers for this collection. Lots of papers, lots of papers. But we also have a lot of stuff to play with. This is 146 die cuts just in this little packet alone. Doesn't feel like it, but oh my gosh. Look at all of this stuff. There's so much inside this package that they had to overlap a ton of stuff. That is just a lot of labels and tabs and icons and tickets and words. Oh, the places we'll go. That's my daughter's favorite Dr. Seuss book, my oldest daughter's. This little weird circular bit, I can't wait to see what that is. Tags, papers, layering pieces. Oh, it's so awesome. So amazing. I cannot wait. Then we've got this rub-on sheet. Now this rub-on sheet has 6 sheets in it. I don't know why they were so expensive this go around. I do not know the answer to that. But it has 6 sheets in it. One of them is this really cool collage, again, nodding to all the ways of transportation: bicycle, train or bullet train, airplane, boat, hot air balloon, and then of course the compass. It's got these little bits right here, which I think are just, oh, they're borders. They're the half stamp borders that I really like. More stamped up pieces going on, a couple sayings, these little collagey bits of, you know, the map and stuff, so you can add more pieces, and then these little collage color splotches, basically. So just a good mix of very useful rub-ons, very useful. I cannot believe I did not buy 2 of these and start using them right away, but probably because I would have not used a second set. I love being very creative with these, but I'm kind of a one and done type of person when it comes to those types of rub-ons, unless they're black and white like these guys are here. So, and last but not least, we have these chipboard maps, map frames. I love these. I really, really do. They are just so great because they're not only on nautical maps, but they're also on road maps. They are on, you know, any type of map that there is, because they do represent, you know, quadrants in order to find where you're going. So, you know, find, you know, quadrant 45C, and then you take it and you find your mapping piece. But I absolutely love these, and I really wanted to play with the frames this time. So I think I'm the one that picked these and said, we're using these. Plus, the packaging, you guys, don't underestimate. I can't see that one because I don't think it's usable, but don't underestimate the packaging that all this stuff comes in. This one is the X's and whatnot, like the paper, and then this one is the like the ticket montage. So super cool. Or maybe the sailing one. I'm not sure, but super, super cool. I cannot wait to play. I cannot believe that I did not even touch these. As soon as I got them, I put them away for Kit Conspiracy, and then we were done. I just didn't want to, I didn't want to use them because, like I said, nature study kind of, you know, took precedence. So I can't wait to see what I do. Check on my channel or Janet's channel or both channels every Friday, Sunday, and Tuesday to see what we do with this kit, and then any other day that we are able to play is just a bonus. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and I'll check y'all later.